I want you to know that everything has its place, that even the darkness that was around us, in order for us to really achieve what I call high love in a lot of our starseed family, I would say that you can't really get there until you actually do work on your heart. You can't get there until you actually start accepting who you are. And so we're at this place where we're going through acceptance and we're learning how to become who we are, and we're learning how to let go of all of the programming and all of the things that we can't control. And instead of trying to grasp onto this thing that we thought we were or that other people were, we're learning that everything's expanding and all of these different expressions are just learning how to dance together. And that it's okay. And that the darkness needed to be there so that we could be these high love beings. That we vibrate and emanate light and love. That in a way this is a good thing. Not all of it. There's some atrocity and some nastiness, and I'm not trying to say that that's not there, but I'm saying that even darkness can be flipped to bring unity. You think about when we start saving kids and we start like actually standing up for ourselves and the lizards lose total control. You think about how much that's going to benefit humankind. And then we got to also start thinking about our karma, right? How we treat the animals around us, right? Do we want to just keep them in cages until we want to eat them? Because some of that's happening to us, friends. And some of that karma's on our hands. And you think that it's not connected. It's all connected. I'm not saying that we don't need protein to eat. I'm not saying this and that. But I'm like, quality of life, right? Wouldn't you love to have a beautiful life until the day that you die? I would. Or just keep me in a cage out of convenience? That's not right. It's not right. And I know it's hard for a lot of people to think about this, but if everything's connected, and if all our karma is connected, and if all our energy is connected, what are we emanating? What are we creating? What are we doing together? Is it all good? Is most of it good? And that's why we need to find ourselves, because when we really connect deep down with who we are, we can't be these other people anymore. We can't hide. We don't want to stay away from the light because we know that there's too much on the line to give up now, that we've come way too far to even let go of what I would call the vibration rising for the planet. We're not going to let go of that. We're just going to adapt to the curveballs that come in, and as they come in, we're going to say, you know what? Light and love. Over here, light and love. All of this stuff is actually helping us manifest the macro by us going inside and helping ourselves and our hearts on the micro. And so when everything's connected like this, you need to understand that once you go within, all the outside world changes. And so I know a lot of people think that we need to be outside doing something, but actually you need to be a human being first. And then when you're led by the spirit, that's when you get into spirit-led activity, which is where you want to be.